This video is about the artificial intelligence. Recently, in the past few years, we are hearing this term here and there. But what exactly is this artificial intelligence? How this artificial intelligence is related to the information technology and how it is being used in the current scenario is what we are going to see today. See, artificial intelligence is a term that is related to information technology. That means the human intelligence is being simulated into a machine, is what is the exact definition for this artificial intelligence. Whatever knowledge a human has, the knowledge is being programmed using certain algorithms and it is being fed up into machines. Let us see some examples. These are some of the very famous examples. You just go to a website and you see some automatic chat that is going on. Automatic chat bot. Okay. So the automatic chat bot is one of the example of an application that is being developed using artificial intelligence. And the other famous example that we can say is Siri, that is used in iPhone, Alexa. All these are some of the real-time examples, realistic examples of artificial intelligence. And in the recent times, there are many companies who are into the research of this artificial intelligence. They are trying to develop many systematic mechanisms using this artificial intelligence. So right from the chatbot application, till an advanced application, like for example, let us say a car driving. So whatever intelligence a driver has, all those intelligence is being fed up into a machine, into a car, and whereas the car functions without a driver. Just imagine this scenario: if a car is running in the road without a driver, how it would be like? And this is going to happen in the near future. You say you go to hotels, restaurants, you see servers there, waiters there. So all these intelligence is also being fed up into the machines, whereas the robots will function like the servers in the restaurants. So like this, there are several applications where without the involvement of a human, the activities will be performed without any interruption. So this is what is going to happen in the forthcoming years. And we are going to see the world full of artificial intelligence where there is no human going to perform any activities, and all the activities are going to be performed by the machines. And there are a lot more to be discussed about artificial intelligence, but let us stop it here for this video. Thank you.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.